Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back. It's Travis here with JT Wealth. In today's video, we're going to talk about two specific cryptocurrencies that have absolutely been killing it this year. One of which has a 4,000% return in the last 52 weeks alone. And both of these cryptocurrencies are absolutely making that killing because of the Metaverse. So we're going to talk about which two those are and give you price predictions for 2022 for both SAND and MANA. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for checking out today's video. Hopefully you find it valuable. If you do me a favor, smash the like button for me, consider subscribing to the channel, and leave a comment in the comment section down below letting me know what you think of these two stocks, cryptocurrencies I should say, SAND and MANA. Cryptocurrencies in the Metaverse space. And like I said in the intro, with one of these having a 4,000% return in the last 52 weeks, we just can't ignore these types of cryptocurrencies anymore. Before we jump right into those specific cryptos, I just want to remind everybody today's video is brought to you and sponsored by Crypto.com. And you probably already know this, but Crypto.com is the world's fastest growing crypto app with over 10 million users. And if you use the link in the description section down below, it's right there on your screen, Crypto.com/app/JT Wealth, you guys can get $25 free just for signing up and funding your accounts. We're going to talk more about them later in the video. Now let's take a look at the article talking about these two stocks and the price predictions for them into 2022. And this came from FX Empire, and it's titled Metaverse, SAND and MANA Price Predictions for 2022. And one of the biggest trends in the cryptocurrency market this year is the Metaverse. The Metaverse didn't gain much attention earlier this year, but it burst onto the scene in the second half of 2021 as investors took advantage of the change in dynamics. Then it touches on SAND and MANA having risen by thousands of percentages, being huge gainers when in the market of cryptocurrencies, usually people are just looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it's time to pay close attention to these cryptos as they pertain to the Metaverse. All right, but let's look at MANA and SAND here. They have added thousands of percentages to their value since the start of the year, and they are now among the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Their adoption didn't kick off at the start of the year like the article started off by saying, but it has grabbed a lot of attention towards the end of the year. And perhaps that major catalyst is the rally in social media giant Facebook's rebranding to Meta, indicating that it will expand its portfolio and enter the Metaverse space. That move, of course, prompting massive adoption of Metaverse-focused tokens such as SAND and MANA. Now, the MANA cryptocurrency, also known as Decentraland, started this year at about $1 or just below. Following Facebook's announcement of the Metaverse, this specific crypto shot up to over $5 before settling down to where it sits today, which I believe is around $3.50. And if you're doing the math in your head, this is the cryptocurrency I was talking about that has risen over 4,000% in just 52 weeks. Here is a quick look at the MANA cryptocurrency, otherwise known as Decentraland, trading at about $3.52 when I took this image earlier today. And there you can see the year-to-date growth, having that huge spike back in October to above the $5 mark and settling back into about $3.52 earlier this afternoon. Now, I promise I'm going to get to the 2022 price predictions here shortly, but let's talk about some other things that are kicking up both MANA and the SAND cryptocurrency based on what's happening in the economic world as a whole. Who's sponsoring them? Who's putting some money into this stuff? Let's check it out. Well, in November, Tokens.com, which is a Canadian investment firm focusing on decentralized finance, purchased virtual real estate on the Decentraland platform for about $2.5 million. This sale was one of the biggest in the history of the Metaverse space. Also, popular gaming hardware company GameStop announced earlier this month that it would start accepting both MANA and SAND and a few other cryptocurrencies as means of payment for its products. Now that covers MANA, but SAND, or we'll just call it SAND, they have not lost out. The adoption is still occurring for them as well. This cryptocurrency's token price has also increased by thousands of percentages in the last year, and since the message came out in October regarding Facebook, they've shot up over 900%. Here you can see the Sandbox USD, or as it's just known, SAND, SAND, the cryptocurrency, trading at $6.10 earlier this afternoon. And again, you can see that similar spike we had back in October after Facebook put out the Metaverse change in their name and the continuation of cryptocurrencies to push the meta space, and then settling back down, much like MANA, to about that $6 range. And similar to MANA, some really big names have put their support behind SAND. German sports apparel manufacturer Adidas announced its partnership with the Sandbox last month as it became the latest corporate entity to venture into the metaverse space. Also in November, the Sandbox launched what's called the Metaverse Alpha, which is an open multi-week play-to-earn event where players would have the opportunity to explore the Sandbox metaverse. Another huge development for SAND was that the rally towards the end of the year was brought by the adoption of PwC, and this is a Hong Kong subsidiary of PricewaterhouseCoopers, and they announced a few days ago that it had purchased land in the Sandbox metaverse. Now, PwC Hong Kong intends to construct a Web 3.0 advisory hub in the metaverse, which will provide numerous professional services that include accounting and taxation. And heading into 2022, SAND is trading close to that $7 mark, outperforming numerous coins over the last 12 months. All right, now we're about to touch on the 2022 price predictions for both of these cryptocurrencies. But if you are new to crypto and you haven't yet had a cryptocurrency platform to purchase things like SAND, like Mana, well, now you do, and that is Crypto.com. And like I said in the beginning of the video, they are the world's fastest growing crypto app. They have 10 million and growing users that are buying and selling over 90 cryptocurrencies and growing at true cost. You can spend with the Crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% cash back, or you can use Crypto.com for your NFT purchases. Whatever your goal, Crypto.com is there to help. And you can use the link you see on the screen, also down in the comment section and the description, for the JT Wealth link to get $25 free when you sign up and fund your Crypto.com account today. All right, the moment you've all been waiting for, let's get to the 2022 price predictions for both of these cryptocurrencies. All right, what you're looking at now is the SAND chart, and SAND's technical indicators show that this coin is one of the best performing cryptocurrencies on the market. They're trading above their 200-day moving average of $1.76, while the MACD line is above the neutral zone. Its RSI of 71 shows that SAND is currently heading into oversold region, and at press time, it's trading above the $6 level. Now, analysts at Wallet Investor predict that the SAND's price could double in 2022, reaching the $13 mark before the end of next year. All right, and lastly, the Mana cryptocurrency. You're staring at that chart right now. The technical indicators here show that this coin is also performing exceptionally well. They're trading above the 200-day moving average of $1.59, while the MACD line is around the neutral zone. The RSI of 52 also shows that it is in the neutral zone at the moment. And at press time, Mana was trading at about $3.70 per coin, and the token's price could rally by nearly 140% in 2022, according to Wallet Investors' predictions that the Mana cryptocurrency could trade at around $8 by the end of the year. So there you have it, guys. That's the two cryptocurrencies we're talking about today, both with the potential to more than double in price in just the next 12 months, even after having such amazing 1,000% point rally that's gone on in the last 52 weeks. But as we all know, the metaverse is still a huge unknown. It could be incredibly beneficial and make people a lot of money, right? So we're going to track both of these cryptocurrencies as well as all the other stocks that are supporting the metaverse. So thanks for checking out today's video. Hopefully you found some value in it. Like I said in the beginning, smash the like button for me, consider subscribing to the channel, and leave a comment in the comment section down below letting me know what you think of both of these cryptocurrencies. Until next time, guys, bottoms up.